this is Udayaprakash. I'd like to share my experience at AttainU from the beginning till my success. I have done my UG in a small college at Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu. I have done my major in BSC Physics and I've got employed at Infosys, but I have got an opportunity to work in the support work. So uh, you all know there is no scope of development in support field. So I decided to pursue something which would add value to my career. So I was thinking where to find and what to pursue. So that time I just casually have gone through Instagram where I found the AttainU advertisement. So I just wanted to give it a try. So I immediately approached them and inquired all the things which I wanted to know. And I thought the most interesting and trusted thing about AttainU to be a feature called pay after placement. So they won't charge all the amount for the course they offer before our placement, but of course they do charge a small amount for only your commitment. So that would keep you to stay ahead in the course. What's the best thing I love from AttainU? Um, I love their entire shaping of the curriculum and the way they give us the mentorship and assistance. So here we have regular sessions every day from Monday to Friday, and we'll be having sessions on Saturday exclusively for doubts, and we will get homeworks every day, and those homeworks will be evaluated every day, and the solutions for those homeworks, if we don't know, we can attend the sessions which is conducted exclusively for solving the problems from the homework. So you'll be having a help desk where you can raise tickets if you feel any issue either with the curriculum or with your subject or any other technical things. So they have really quite a good team, and they really take concern in each aspect of their students. They never let us with no support. So even if we as a student show negligence or the instructor shows negligence, AttainU will not bear. They will do the necessary things to make us qualify throughout the course and assist. And regarding our placement assistance, we have really good support. When there is a time for placement, we would be assigned some SSE. It means Student Success Coordinator, who keeps on assisting us throughout our placement. So we would be given opportunities to give away interviews for many companies throughout the placement phase. So they not only give us the company where we can give interviews, but also they would provide the coaching to give the interviews in different companies. So they will guide us what has to be done to attend a successful interview and get placed. Concluding with it, I can say that AttainU is really a very well shaped and well planned place and a dedicated place for those who are dedicated and hardworking. So you don't have to bother about the cost also. Um, so only thing you have to do is that you should have to be um, ready to pursue with the entire journey. Um, the journey might be difficult, but at the end, you will surely um, get the fruit for your hard work.